lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is all about Organic Glow & Co.'s Kanakam product which they have sent me. So I got this Organic Glow & Co. Kanakam face pack cum scrubber, and this is Kanakam Herbal hair oil. So in this video I'll use this, so I'll tell you everything about these products in detail, all the ingredients and how to use it the right way. So let's start the video. So this is Organic Glow & Co.'s Kanakam Daily Face Pack cum Scrubber. It's for normal skin type. It's 100% natural and homemade product that works magically on your skin and makes it gleamy, smooth and radiant. Replace your daily face wash with your face pack and experience glowing skin. So the right way to use it is take a half spoon of Kanakam face pack. My teaspoon size is quite small, so I'll take 1 teaspoon of it, this much. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of the face pack and I'm adding a raw milk, again 1 teaspoon, or I'll add some more. And then I'll mix it well. If raw milk and curd is not available, you can use normal water to mix it. After mixing it well, let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes and then apply it on your face. My face pack cum scrubber is ready to use. I've already soaked it for 10 to 15 minutes as it said. Now I'm going to use it all over my face as a face pack. So it says wet your face first before applying the face pack, so let's do it. Now I'm going to use this face pack. Before applying your face pack, mix it well. So once your mixture is ready to use, now I'm going to apply it all over my face. I think मेरा milk थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया, इसलिए it's not that thick. And I'm going to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes since I have applied this mask and it's completely dry. Now I'm gonna massage it with water. I'll massage it for 5 minutes, all facial areas including eye area and lips. So after massaging it for 5 minutes, I've rinsed it off with normal water. Look how clean and smooth my skin feels. It's really worth a try. Also, I would like to tell you, you have to keep this face pack cum scrub in a jar and keep it in a cold right place, and that's how you have to store this. And also you have to massage it for 5 minutes after your face pack is dry. So that's what it all requires. Now talking about the herbal hair oil, which is also from Kanakam. This oil is a unique combination of natural herbs. It's a one-stop way to all your hair problems. It strengthens hair roots and promotes hair growth. The ingredients in this hair oil is fractionate coconut oil, which is 70%, sesame oil 20%, mustard oil 10%, amla, neem leaves, curry leaves, tulsi leaves, hibiscus flowers and leaves, cloves, carom seeds, and you have to store it in a cold dry place. Also you can do a patch test, apply it on your elbow and leave it for 20 minutes just to see if it doesn't have any reaction, and discontinue in case of any sort of irritation. So basically you have to use this oil and you can leave it for 4 to 5 hours, and then you can rinse off your hair with a shampoo, but do not use conditioner, as this oil as conditioner will provide more oil, so your hair will get more sticky and oily. So do not use conditioner after using this oil, just simply shampoo it and that's it. And I have used this hair oil twice and I'm quite liking it. You can try it and let me know your review in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and family, and have a happy skin and a good hair day. Okay, bye.